everybody, welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal and today we are going to make this child size barefoot sandal. I'm doing mine in 100% cotton with a 5mm hook. We're doing this in a multicolor. You can do yours in any color, of course. It's a really quick, less than 30-minute project. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a slip knot. And we're going to chain 11. All right, now we are going to slip stitch that into the first chain to create a ring. All right, now we're going to chain 3, turn your work, and we're going to double crochet right into that slip stitch. Oops. One and 2. So now we're going to have 3 double crochets. Your chain 3 is going to count as a double crochet. Okay, now for row 2, we're going to chain 3, turn our work, we're going to put a double crochet into that first chain. I'm sorry, the first stitch. So now we have 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. We're creating an increase on this side and an increase on this side. 1 double crochet into the middle stitch, which is that double crochet down there from row 1. Now we're going to find the top of the 3rd chain and we're going to put 2 double crochets in there. 1, 2. Row 2 now has 5 double crochets. Now on to row 3. 1, 2, 3. We're chaining up 3. Turn your work. Put a double crochet into that first stitch. Now you've got 2 double crochets in the first stitch. Double crochet in the next. Double crochet in the next. Double crochet in the next. And 2 double crochets into the top of the 3rd chain as that last double crochet. So now row 3 is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochets. For row 4, this is going to be our last row. We're going to chain 3, turn our work. We're going to put a double crochet into that first row, or in that first stitch, and now we're going to put a triple crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, triple crochet. Now into the next stitch, we're putting a double crochet. And into that middle stitch, we're going to put a single crochet. The next side now, a double crochet. Next stitch is a triple crochet. And then our last stitch, which is our chain 3, we're going to put 1 double crochet into the top of the chain 3. And then we're going to chain 3 and slip stitch into the same space the double crochet was created. And so what that's going to do there is help to create our rounds. All right, so go ahead and chain one to secure. Cut your yarn. Leave a little bit of space to weave that in. Pull it really tight. And that's the beginning of our barefoot sandal. When we attach our straps, we're going to attach them into the second double crochet from the sides. So that's going to help to still keep our little bend and keep the form of our heart when your child wears her sandal. Okay, so how we're going to do that is we're going to go ahead and create a slip knot. We're going to stick our hook into the top of that double crochet, second one from the outside on each side. Grab your slip knot. Oops. Pull it through, and we're chaining 70. Now you're going to go ahead and chain 70 all the way, cut it real close, like this. Pull it really tight so it doesn't come out. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. When you weave in your ends, you're going to try to hide them the best that you can, choosing a front side and a back side. If mine's multicolored, so it's kind of hard, and I needed to choose a side because the colors kind of weave into each other. So this is my back side, and then this will be my front side. So go ahead and do yours. I can't wait to see them. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let me know what kind of tutorials you'd like to see in the future. I also have an adult barefoot sandal, a bohemian barefoot sandal coming up. So don't forget to watch that video also. Thank you for watching.